Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to link credit or debit cards to Samsung Wallet in 2025. The first step you need to take is to tap the Samsung Wallet app on your phone. Then it will launch. Once it's opened, you have to select payment or cards from the home screen. Next, you are going to tap on add cards. It's usually a plus icon. And then you manually type your card number, expiring date, and CVV, or position your card in a camera frame for auto scan. Next, you have to confirm via SMS, OTP, email, or bank app authentication. It depends on your bank. But the confirmation is just to verify the card. The next thing you're going to do, you can set the card as your default. This is optional. If you want to set it as a default, what you do is you toggle default card if you want this card for quick payments. And it's done. Your card is now linked and ready for contactless payment. Some banks may require extra verification, so check your bank's app if the card does not link immediately. Now, this is based on Samsung Wallet's UI remaining constant and consistent globally, so the buttons are clearly labeled. If you cannot find add card, you should update the app via Galaxy Store. And supported banks may vary, but all major Visa and MasterCard works. Hope you found this video helpful.